Therapists and the consumers want treatments that tackle the causes of wrinkles rather than masking the effects. Consumers want visible and lasting results, ideally without needles and preferably from natural ingredients. The pouring method allows all of these to be delivered by the beauty therapist they already know and trust. The unique features of the pouring method are the device, our own HA, and the way that we treat rather than mask fine lines and wrinkles. The bonded skin cells that cause wrinkles are separated as the pouring fluid passes through the skin layers in the epidermis. The basal layer is agitated, stimulating collagen and fibroblast and encouraging skin growth directly under the line or wrinkle being treated. The natural ingredients in the pouring fluid are delivered precisely into the treatment areas, and the area immediately beneath the line or wrinkle is simultaneously hydrated and infused with hyaluronic acid. The pouring method is an effective remedial treatment to combat the aging process. The spring-loaded Shireen pour jet is positioned and activated. Precise pressure pushes our HA-based pouring fluid through a micro aperture directly into the epidermis as an atomized spray. Compacted skin layers are separated, the area below the line or wrinkle is immediately hydrated, and our own non-cross-linked, high molecular weight and long-lasting HA starts to bind with water in the body.